Kevin Davidson is dedicated and passionate about developing a sustainable farming system that produces high-quality, nutritious produce. And Outgro has assisted by developing treatments that are meeting Kevin's objectives in a short time span, and all this on a high-producing property.
I've been with Outgro for 3 years, and I guess the big outstanding thing is animal health issues. So potassium to sodium ratios are way out. We've been able to correct them substantially, and so metabolics is just not an issue now. It has been an issue in the past, so we've been able to correct that. We've introduced a lot of new species into the pastures, and so we're seeing the benefits of that coming through. And I guess the other thing is the freer draining soil, you know, so with calcium magnesium ratios we've corrected substantially as well, and put a lot of emphasis on that, and the farmers is a lot more freer draining. We don't see the puddles that we used to see.
Kevin Davidson has found the regular herbage analysis undertaken by Outgro hugely valuable.
We monitor herbage every second month. We're really trying to put the emphasis on, you know, cows eat grass, not dirt, and we want to make sure the herbage is right and correct that. And we do soils once a year, and that's where we're working towards correcting soils all the time, but that's a long-term thing, whereas we can correct the herbage today for tomorrow. And we've certainly made big impacts on that. You know, we've made big impacts in terms of minerals, selenium, zinc, coppers, substantially higher in pastures now than what we're doing. We're not having to put as much down the cow's throat.
Kevin's property is already one of the top producing dairy farms in the country, but he still wants improvement.
But it's hard, you know, with large herds and you've got a high input and you're up there anyway, it's hard to make those gains, but we have steadily made gains, yeah. This year, unfortunately, we're back a little bit. We're back on cow numbers. We're back like 150 odd cows. We're up actually per cow, but back in total production just through cow numbers. They're expensive to buy, so we chose not to buy them. We've made steady progress. We've probably moved since Outgro, I don't know, 3 years ago, we were probably back just nudging on 800,000. So 795 or 797, something like that. So we've made steady progress, yeah.
What's your goal then?
My goal's to exceed 1 million. I want to do over 1 million milk solids before I hang my head up. They tell me that's the biggest supply. In actual fact, I think we're the biggest supply in Fonterra now, but I reckon that's a good number to hang your head up on.